Nature is the art of God. Deep look into nature and then you will understand everything better. A tree with strong roots laughs at storms. A bird sitting on a tree, water flowing. God created the nature with pure love. That's why it is beautiful. The nature has its own music for those who are listening. Close your eyes and feel the nature. I bet you it's the best feeling ever. If nature fights with humans, nature will be the winner, we are the loser. In future, nature won't fight with us because nowadays people are destroying the beautiful nature of God's creation. Come with me to see the beauty of nature. Everybody come with me to see deep inside. There are many birds, animals, beautiful creation in the world. I'm very excited to see what is there inside the forest. There are so many trees around me. Makes me very happy. We have to pass this path to reach our destination. Anyhow, we have passed that water-filled path. Now we have to pass this path to reach our place where there will be so many birds. Dear children, trees are poems the earth writes upon the sky. Trees won't worry about their shape or size. They focus only on their growth. Please grow like a tree and focus on your talent. I'm very excited to see different birds. We have to be very careful when we are walking on the place where there is so many trees. There are many beautiful birds. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of the branch breaking because they don't believe on the branch. They believe on their own wings. Some birds are swimming in water with their young ones. Hey, here is a bird inside the tree trunk, waiting for its mother. Some birds are fighting with each other. How cute it is. Some birds are feeding their babies in its nest. Hey, I think this bird is protecting their young ones from enemies. Vulture fly high in the sky with its flight feathers. It uses its wings to fly. Many birds are flying in the sky. Birds' bodies are made to fly. They have light bones, strong legs, and specially shaped wings. Flying helps the birds to move from one place to another. Wow, there are so many birds flying in the sky. Wow, everybody see that? There is a parrot sitting on the tree, eating fruit by using its curved and pointed beak. It's amazing. Sparrow is building its nest. As everybody knew, sparrow uses its sharp cone-shaped beak to build nests. Dear children, sparrow uses its leaves, twigs to build its nest. Hey, the sparrow is searching for the strong twig. Finally, it found out. Sparrow builds a nest to lay eggs and to protect their young ones. After the nest has built, sparrow starts to feed food to their young ones. Mother sparrow is feeding the food to the young ones. Sparrows eat grains and worms. Hey, what bird is this? Yes, it is a hummingbird. Hummingbirds suck nectar from flowers by its straw-shaped beak. My dear children, I am very excited and happy after seeing all the birds. Now it's raining. Let's have a tea. Before that, I have to build a tent. Where to build a tent? Come, let's search a place for that. Yes, this place is quite okay to build tent. Wow, there is a house. It's amazing. I'm going to build a tent. Now my tent is ready. I'm taking some wood pieces and I started firing. I'm going to prepare a tea. My dears, difficult roads often leads to beautiful destination. Always work hard to achieve your success. Okay. Now my tea is ready. Okay, bye. I will see you tomorrow. I'm going to sleep. Hi, good morning. I feel very happy today. Come, let's see what the birds are doing. Woodpeckers usually build nests only in the tree trunks. Hey, the baby woodpeckers are calling their mother. Woodpeckers build a nest by its sharp sizzle-shaped beak. Wow. Oh, there are 3 woodpeckers in this nest. Now the mother woodpecker has reached. To see birds near rivers. My dear children, crane has long legs and it has 4 toes which helps crane to walk near rivers. Crane has long, thin, sharp shaped beak and has a hook at the end of the beak. The beak of the crane helps the bird to catch the fish from the rivers. How beautiful it is. Wow! Everybody see here how eagle catches its prey from the river. Eagle uses its sharp toes and claws to catch the fish from the rivers. Hey, here is a bird swimming in water. Do you know what feet it has? Yes, it has a webbed feet. Webbed feet helps the birds to swim easily in water. My dear children, which bird has webbed feet? Yes, you are correct. Duck has webbed feet. I had a wonderful experience this time. I hope you also enjoyed and learned many things from this trip. Dear children, I have to tell something to you. If you protect nature, nature will protect you. Save earth, protect nature, conserve environment. Because this is our only home. It's our duty and responsibility to protect our earth. In future, some birds and many animals will be studied only in history. So that should not be happened. Without plants, there will be no food for us in future. So everyone is a child to motherland. We may have many responsibilities and duties in our life, but our first and foremost duty is to plant trees and protect birds and animals. I hope you understood. Thank you.